starting a bunker loot test, and it's the bunker over here. We call it the super bunker because it has that central room. It's right south of the boot camp. Um, the mech outside was done, whatever. Couple puppets outside, 3 or so in that first house. There was a bunch behind these doors. But as far as loot, there's a camo hiking backpack, which makes sense. There was a nail. And there was a flare so far. We have like 15 times puppets, so we're gonna get more puppets than usual. There's 3 there. You just heard the beepers go off. There was quite a few beepers already. These are never really traditionally known for having much as far as loot. Either do the boxes. The only thing that was really worth it in here is these little black boxes on the shelves. I think our loot is 2 times because we just find default is just too yucky. So, I mean, I would expect to find something. Tactical gloves, that makes sense. A lot of new items found. I mean, whatever. You really don't expect the hunter. I mean, that's eh. I mean, some people don't like it. Some people say its hitbox is fucked up. I don't give a shit. I don't. If it's time to melee with a knife, it's too late, in my opinion, anyway. Because we just don't play in a server where burst melee is really an option. And they say, oh, it's fine if you only get 1 puppet at a time. And I agree, it probably is, but we never get 1 puppet at a time. I mean, you can hear that already. A lot of 45 ammo, which is pretty common. That 9mm, 30-06. At least there's ammo. With vanilla, it seems like there's not enough ammo. A lot of military. Oh, that's the last one too. Yeah. But in vanilla, it seems like there's just not enough ammo to make it worth firing ammo to come in. I mean, you would hope to either replace your ammo or find enough gunpowder and lead to craft your own ammo. Nobody wants to see somebody looting, so if you want, just fast forward the video to something that's better. But the reason I'm here really is to check the loot. Because, as usual, there's 2 camps on the forums. One says all they're finding in bunkers is pajama pants, binoculars, and something else. Probably those stupid red beanies that nobody, well, 2 people want to find red beanies, and they both work for the same guy. So far, the loot's been pretty much all military. I mean, besides that nail, I mean, we're not even going to carry it all out. Because we don't use all that. I mean, I don't use 9mm, but I'll carry it because other people on the server do. I'll use that. So I don't know if it's RNG or 2 times, but all I'm finding is ammo. And I think that's what the new rework was supposed to do. It was to put more appropriate loot in the appropriate POIs. Too bad I don't follow use 38. I mean, I could sell it, but that's really not why we're here. But what they do need is a way where we're at your workstation or in the industrial areas, a place where you can recycle the stuff you don't use and get resources from it, like gunpowder or brass or something. I mean, it would mean redoing the whole ammunition mechanic, so you could have like brass catchers on your weapons. That's all full. And then craft with gunpowder, brass, and lead. And the brass would basically be a shell casing. But see, then not all shell casings are the same size, so then you'd have to recycle the brass and make your own caliber, which is starting to sound like the 7 Days to Die system of doing things. See, I'm finding just shitloads of ammo. So I don't, well, I hardly ever understand people on the forums anyway. I mean, it's like they play different games than I do. Because all the stuff that they hate, it's just not happening to me. This room used to be good for food and canteens. Like MREs and stuff. That just goes to control centers. That we've already been down. least they can find their way out from behind doors now. Looks like more ammo. No, this is good. Food and drink. That's what I expect to find here. I mean, how's my metabolism? I don't need to eat. We have that canteen. We don't need that. More caps. More caps. Let's see what's in the doctor's office. There's the pajama pants people were talking about. Well, there's a pressure dresser. You can't complain about that. The empty bags can be used. Scalpel. Same pants. I can't unlock that. My lockpicking skills aren't that great. Another dressing. Well, there's medical stuff in the medical bunker, or the medical room. So I don't see that being an issue. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that rail. I don't generally loot puppets, but we will just see what's in them. There's a mask, a rag. A Bobby pin you would expect to find in a bathroom. Not sure what the empty bag thing's all about. That's kind of what we're looking for. On the ground, there's a helmet. That makes sense. More ammo, that makes sense. More ammo that you could actually sell. I mean, all the loot's making sense to me. Let's see what's in these things. Oh, forgot how to do it. I don't know why this doesn't always go back in there. I really don't want that sawed off at all, but I'll sell it. I'd actually rather have that M1. I don't know if it's worth more or not. I forgot what that's for. I think it's the M16 and M18. See, this is one armory, and it's all military. Oh, those are mine. I need those. Why is the sound so much different? It's supposed to be a silenced weapon, but that sound was a lot louder than it was earlier when I used it. It sounds like the silencer's off of it. That's not good. What was going on there? That was weird. This isn't silenced. The silencer's gone. And I know it wasn't earlier. Oh my god, they wear out. Wow. I did not know that. So I wonder if you... Yeah, I think you can repair that independent of the gun, because I know you can't clips. Wow. I did not know that. That's actually very cool. That's what you would expect in here. I could hear him in the grass above me. That one's always hard to reach. I don't know why I have so much exhaustion. Could that be the food? Where's those almonds? Let's eat this. So the exhaustion is in recovery. No, like those almonds. So I was getting exhaustion. Because I was hungry. And my health is at 90. But that should go up. Because I ate. I mean, I didn't eat a balanced meal. What's their AK doing in the bathroom? Oh, that's my AK. Why didn't... I just did something wrong and almost paid a huge price for it. When I ate, it didn't put... I'm not sure exactly what happened. This all looks good. Wrong key. Key card for which bunker? Z2. Z on the island. We'll take it home, but probably won't use it. really didn't want to open up all of those, so I'll just do one more from here. The loot looks good. I mean, there was 3 or 4 hats. One pajama bottom. Rifles, which could be the 2 times loot of the server. Nope, that makes sense. I don't know where those guys came from. I'm not supposed to respawn puppets that fast, but I'm okay with it. I mean, I'm not, but I am. But they seem to be respawning pretty quick, even though my settings. They call puppets NPCs. External interior. It's 900. Check time. Does this go up? Where did the tooltips go? There was a tooltip a second ago, but now the tooltip disappeared. Oh, I don't even give a shit about exterior. It's interior spawning. Check time. Wait, the tooltip came back for a second. You see it flash for a split second? What's up with that? When I selected this, it comes up. It just said it. 60. It won't give it to me again. I apply. I do this again. And I can't get the tooltip to come back up. that's the thing with this game is it it raises more questions than it answers. Like, why does the tooltip come up some of the time and some of the time it doesn't? I mean, I get they probably checked it once or 3 times and it came up all 3 times, or if they didn't have time to check everything, and I get it, but what is 2.9? Now, there's a tooltip that popped up and then disappeared. I wasn't even reading it, I was focused on the 2.9 amount. That just seems stupid. There it was again. Okay, I have to apply the last one. Oh, it's a slider. Duh, I'm over here. So how did it go get to 2.9? I must have done the no. But the tooltips don't come up. I thought this was all 500. Maybe it seems. So we'll go 375 on all these and see if we're gonna get more. I'm gonna stop recording because I just have more questions than answers. I always do.